Cloud computing. Have you ever wondered where your WhatsApp messages are stored? Or how you can watch Netflix on your phone, laptop, or smart TV anytime, anywhere? Well, the answer lies in cloud computing. What is cloud computing? It is the delivery of computing services over the internet, including storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and intelligence. Instead of owning physical servers or devices, users can access everything on demand, just like using electricity or water. You don't have to manage the infrastructure yourself, cloud providers handle it for you. Some well-known cloud providers include Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Real-life examples of cloud computing are uploading of photos to Google Drive or iCloud, streaming on Netflix or listen to music on Spotify. Businesses use online tools like Zoom, Slack, or Salesforce. Why is it important? Cloud computing is transforming how the world works. It makes businesses more efficient. It powers innovations like AI, big data, and IoT. It allows startups to launch apps without owning a single server. It's not just a tech trend, it's the backbone of the modern digital world. By understanding cloud computing, you open doors to high-paying jobs, in-demand tech skills, the ability to build or work on the next big app. What makes cloud computing unique? Cloud computing isn't just a new way to store data, it's a complete shift in how we use and deliver technology. What makes cloud computing truly unique compared to traditional IT models? Let's break it down. First, scalability. Grow your resources instantly. You can scale up or down instantly based on your needs. Second, global reach. Access from anywhere. Third, pay-as-you-go model. Fourth, automation and integration with AI big data. Career opportunities in cloud computing. As more companies move their operations to the cloud, the demand for skilled professionals is skyrocketing. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced techie, the cloud offers a wide range of exciting and high-paying roles. Let's look at some of the key roles you can explore. Cloud Engineer, DevOps Specialist, Cloud Security Analyst, Solutions Architect, Cloud Consultant, and many more opportunities. Who's hiring? Almost every major tech-driven company is hiring cloud professionals. Tech giants, AWS, Microsoft, Google, IBM. Startups building SaaS apps. Fintech companies managing large-scale transactions. Healthcare, education, government, and more. Cloud computing is not limited to IT companies, it's now essential across nearly all industries. Learning outcomes after learning cloud computing. You'll have gained powerful, real-world skills that are highly valuable in today's tech-driven economy. Here's what you'll be able to do. Deploy and manage apps in the cloud. Understand infrastructure and networks. Secure data in cloud environments. Build scalable, real-world solutions. The Cloud Career Roadmap is a structured guide designed to help individuals, even with no prior experience, build a successful career in cloud computing. It outlines the skills, certifications, and real-world experience needed to grow from a beginner to an expert-level professional. Here's how the roadmap is typically structured. First, beginner stage. Here, learn the basics of cloud computing, get familiar with leading cloud platforms like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud, and understand key concepts such as virtualization, storage, networking, and cloud models, IaaS, PaaS, SaaS. Second, intermediate stage. Here, dive deeper into hands-on skills, setting up cloud environments, managing servers, configuring databases, and working with storage solutions. Learn about automation tools, basic scripting, and cloud security principles. Start working on small projects or labs to gain practical experience. Third, advanced stage. Here, specialize in high-demand areas like cloud architecture, DevOps, machine learning in the cloud, cybersecurity, or cloud networking. Master designing scalable, secure, and cost-optimized architectures. Learn tools like Terraform, Kubernetes, Docker, and CI/CD pipelines. Fourth, expert professional stage. Here, focus on complex, enterprise-grade projects and multi-cloud strategies. Gain experience in leadership roles, leading cloud migration, optimization projects, or managing cloud teams. Stay updated with emerging technologies like serverless computing, edge computing, and AI in the cloud. By following this structured path, individuals can confidently move from foundational understanding to expert-level proficiency, ready for roles like cloud engineer, cloud solutions architect, DevOps engineer, or cloud consultant, all of which are among the most in-demand and high-paying jobs in tech today.